Good morning, students. I have brought some questions from construction of topics exercise 18.1. Yes, from the same book, Speedy Maths. Okay, dear students, you can construct question number 1A. Yes, that is construction of rectangle. Construction of rectangle A, B, C, D. Okay, dear students, you can easily construct the rectangle A, B, C, D because here are given the diagonal, and diagonals of rectangle are equal. Okay, so here we are given diagonal AC equals to BD equals to 6 centimeter is given, and bisect each other making an angle of 45 degree, and angle between diagonals. Okay, angle between diagonals that is theta is given 45 degree. So first of all, let's roughly sketch the figure of the rectangle. So it is a rectangle. Okay, it is a rectangle. Have a look here. We are given the diagonal AC and BD. Diagonal AC is 6 centimeter and BD is also 6 centimeter, and this is the point of intersection O, and angle between them, right angle between them is theta is given 45 degree. They bisect each other making an angle of 45 degree. Okay, dear students, have a look here. Now the length of AC is 6 centimeter. That's why we can write here these two are equal, 3 cm, 3 cm, and these two are also equal, 3 cm, 3 cm. Okay, and with the help of pencil and scale, first of all draw AC. Yes, AC having length 6 cm. You can draw the AC having length 6 cm, and then after bisect this AC, yes, divide into the two parts, 3 cm, 3 cm. Yes, divide into the three parts, 3 cm, 3 cm. Okay, and then from here, yes, take this point as the center. Yes, and draw the angle 45 degree. Yes, draw the angle 45 degree. Yes, 60. So you can draw the angle 45 degree here. Okay, draw the angle 45 degree. Draw angle 45 degree in this way. Okay, and take here from here 3 cm this side and 3 cm this side. So you can take 3 cm here and 3 cm here. You can take 3 cm here. Okay, so level this with B and D, and with the help of the scale, yes, join this point A and point B, join this point D and point C, and join this, yes, join this point A and point C, and join this point B and C. So dear students, in this way, yes, you can draw the rectangle. Yes, so at last you can see that. Hence, yes, here hence ABCD is the required triangle, the required rectangle. The required rectangle ABCD is constructed. Okay, dear students, in this way, yes, you can construct the rectangle. It is very easy to construct. Okay, and I'm going to deal with question number 1C. Okay, question number 1C. Question number 1C. Question number 1C. Here we are given 1C diagonal. Diagonal AC is given 5.5 cm and angle BAC is given 60 degree. Diagonal AC is given 5.5 cm and angle BAC is given 60 degree. Okay, now you have to show the rough sketch. Rough sketch. Draw the diagonal. Sorry, draw the rectangle first of all. Take AC. This is AC. Take the line AC, 5.5 cm, and BAC. BAC. Okay, BAC. You can take this one, BAC. This one is 60 degree. Okay, and this one is D. Okay, dear students, you can draw. Yes, you can construct the rectangle, this type of rectangle. So this one is 5.5 cm and each angle of rectangle is 90 degree. And if this one is 60 degree and this one will be also the 60, no matter. So first of all, draw the line AC. First of all, draw the line AC. This is AC, 5.5 cm, and okay, and angle at A, yes, at the point A. If it is 90 degree, then it will be 30 degree. We can draw nicely, easily, right? So make angle 60 degree here. Okay, in this way, make angle 60 degree. So 60. Okay, make an angle 60 degree here. In this way, and in this way you can draw the angle 60 degree, and here you can draw here. You can draw here 60 degree also. You can draw here 60 degree. Okay, or you can draw here 30 degree, or you can draw here 30 degree. Yes, draw here 30 degree. Draw here 30 degree in this way. So 60, and 30 is this 30 degree. Draw here 30 degree. Okay, then it will be D, and this angle must be 90. Okay. Okay, now we have got, yes, this side BC and AB. Yes, now take the length of AB. Yes, take the length of AB with the compass, and from here take arc. Yes, with the help of the radius is equal to the AB from the point C. Okay, and then after from the point A, take the radius BC. Yes, with the compass. Yes, same length with the BC from here with the compass. Yes, in this way, then you will get what? Point of intersection, and join these points. You will get the rectangle. So ABCD is a rectangle. So in this way you can construct. So dear students, try to solve these questions. Yes, and tomorrow I am going to show you. I will bring the instruments again, compass and scale. Yes, and in the next video I will draw again the construction, more construction. And you can construct the polygon. You can construct polygon, right? Question number 3, you can construct polygon. Pentagon, construct the pentagon. Here in the pentagon ABCDE. So we are given length of AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DE equals to EA equals to 4 cm. Okay, each side of pentagon is 4 cm, and we can find the interior angle, and each interior angle theta equals to n minus 2 into 180 by n. So 5 minus 2 into 180 by 5, so 108 degree. Okay, 3 into 33 into 36, 5 3 are 15, so 108 degree. Okay, it is the interior angle. Now you can draw the pentagon. So first of all, take a side, one side of BC. Take a side BC 4 cm, BC 4 cm, and draw here 108 degree interior angle. 60, 60, 60, 6 to the 120, so 108 degree, 90. Yes, 90 means 90. So 108 means 90 plus 18 degree. Okay, it means 19 plus 15 plus 3, right? 90 plus 15. Okay, so 15, 30, bisect the 30, so you will get this one. Okay, so 60 plus 30, 90, 90 plus 15, 105, and with the help of protector, you can take the 108 degree here, right? So draw here. Okay, and take 4 cm CD, and again here draw 108 degree, right? Again draw here 108 degree, and take again 4 cm, yes, DE, yes, and take again here 108 degree, yes, you will get here EA. Okay, so in this way you can draw the pentagon. Yes, it is very easy. And question number 5B, yes, already I have taught you how to construct regular polygon, yes, inside the circle. Okay, dear students, today this much. Try to solve these questions from the same book, SPD Mathematics. So today this much. Thank you.